If you're planning on visiting Cannock Chase, this is a stop that you must put into your itinerary. This is the Heritage Trail. You can gain access from closer to Rugeley and come over the fields by the leisure centre. That will bring you down this track to Slitting Mill Waterfall. Hello for all of you who are coming in from the Horns to visit the Slitting Mill Waterfall. You will come across this. It hasn't collapsed. It is just a small set of bricks before you get there, so carry on the trail. You will eventually come to the waterfall. This is the safer route down to the waterfall. Unlike the one that I tried earlier to film walking down, which is that one. Today it is lovely and dry and beautiful sunshine. I don't think this soil would stand up too much rain, so be careful if you're coming to visit in the rainy times.